Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to boost or hack your W coin and have any amount of token you want to have. Meanwhile, I will advise you to go for millions and not billions because the total supply is about a few trillion. So don't go and start having like trillions and billions. This account is just for educational purpose, right? So I'm going to be walking you through the process from beginning to the end. So the only thing you need is a W coin account and Termux app. Just download it from Play Store and open it and start copying these codes one after the other and pasting. After entering each code, just calm down, allow it to process and finish before we move to the next code. And if you encounter any issue, just ask a question in the comment section or come to the Telegram community. So all these codes actually will be uploaded on our Telegram community. You can get the link in the description below, the link to the Telegram community. Just go there and you see all the code you need to be entering one after the other. Everything is there for you. So if you follow the code correctly, you are going to end up at a point where to ask for WCoin session. So just open your WCoin app, all right, and then turn off your data or network, then reload the page. So it's going to bring out this error message. Just copy the whole, highlight the text. You can use this select all, then copy. So it's going to copy the code, the session code also. So just paste it somewhere, all right, then you can just move up because we are selecting this whole session code. So start from this https, then select it down to this last part, then copy it. That's the session. Then put on, after copying, put on your data back, then get back to Termux, then paste the WCoin session you just copied and enter it. All right, so please be mindful of the amount you enter. Just use millions, all right, maybe 100 million or 50 million or 200 million. So but for this test account I just used 100 billion. It's just for test because they have just some trillions as the total supply. Now if you go and enter 1 trillion, 10 trillion, they will just, at the end of the day, they will block your account because it's not reasonable. All right, so enter the amount. It will request for the amount. Enter the amount, then it will request for this authentication key. This key is going to work for just 2 days, so just rush this thing and do it now. So once you do it and enter it, the amount you put, you see it in your WCoin app. So as you can see, after entering 100 billion here, I open the new WCoin app, the bot, and you see the 100 billion there. Mind you, don't do this on your main account because they may ban this, all these accounts eventually, and if not, we enjoy the results. So don't try it on your main account, just do it on a separate account. So this is very easy and straightforward. So once you do it, ensure to stake so that maybe through the staking it will give you some yield, and hopefully it will not, the account will not be banned. So just try. It's not a promise, we are just trying to see if we can use the staking to bypass, to clean the money and make it look legit. So ensure to stake some of them or all of them as the case may be. For me, I just staked I think some of them and I left the rest on this test account. So I didn't touch my main account. I just did it on a test account to show you guys, and also on my other account. Now they now give, because I was using my main referral link, my main account referral link, so they give my main account some bonuses also. So you can try that too and see how it turns out. You can see my balance there now. I have 9 billion tokens left. So like I said, just use like some millions, maybe some hundreds of millions as your balance. Don't take it to billions for the safety of your account. All right. So that will be all. Thank you for watching this guide. Subscribe to this channel for more hacks.